Hey guys, what is up, and thanks for watching my videos. I'm Stephanie, just in case that you did not know. Before we go ahead and jump right into everything, I want you to go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and do all that good stuff. It's free. So in today's video, we are doing a wig glue review, I guess. Yeah, a review. I'm going to install a wig with the glue, and I wear it for about a week. I just check in with you and let you know how the product goes. I'm going to show you how I install it. All three products are used in this video. There's a wig primer, a wig glue, and a wig glue remover. I do use all three. We also do the water test to see if it is truly waterproof. The glue that we're going to be reviewing today is the Esha Fusion. It has collagen and vitamin B infused in it, so it's supposed to help. Most glues rip out your edges. It's supposed to actually promote hair growth, as well as not let that happen as far as like hair loss and stuff like that. So I am pretty excited for the product itself. Like I said, they didn't tell me if it was in stores or not yet, so I don't know, but it is infused with vitamin B and collagen, so it smells good, it feels good, all that good stuff. I only used one layer of glue for this entire test process. I did have to touch up. It did not like stand on the like hair, what is this, sideburn area, but I only used one layer of glue, so I'm not going to fault the glue for that. And I do sleep out. I didn't actually tie my hair down every single night, so I'm not going to like fault the glue for that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my camera's dying, so I'm going to just hurry up and just jump right into the next clip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and just jump right into me installing the wig. We got some little goodies in the mail. I was so kindly and so excited. That's not what I want to say. The Janet collection reached out to me, and I am very excited about it. They are also the company who does the they're like the parent company who does the Esha like hair glue company. Girl, I got like a whole dissertation on the product and all that good stuff. You probably are familiar with the Esha hair glue. They recently came out with a new one, so I was so kindly gifted by the Janet collection a set of the new products that we are probably already in stores. I don't know. They didn't tell me if they were in stores or not already, or if they are going to be, in stores soon. Probably, everybody's quarantined, only like essential businesses are open. They say a liquor store is essential business, so I don't know if it's a beauty supply store it's gonna be an essential business, but either way, that is that. So these are the three products that I was so kindly gifted. It is the lace bond glue, the grip and guard primer, and then the actual lace the lace wig bond remover. And they actually gave me a little comb with their little logo on it, which is so freaking cute. We're going to be installing an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be doing the Purple Nurple wig today. She's freshly washed, shampooed, blow dried, all that good stuff. So we're just going to do something nice and fun and colorful and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm rambling. Let's just go ahead and get on with it. We're going to be doing the boiled cap method today. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so, yeah. Boom. Okay, but we're back. So now we're going to go ahead and just continue on. So what I'm doing now is just cleaning off my forehead with the alcohol wipe just to get that excess makeup off of my face. Okay, so now I do want to just give some info about the primer as we go along, because this is going to be the next step. So this is the primer. Clean skin, where the tape / adhesion will be applied with 99% alcohol. I'm going to let you know this now, guys. I don't actually agree with the 99% part. The higher the concentration of the alcohol, the more abrasive it is to your skin. You are just fine with honestly a 70%, 71%, 80% type of rubbing alcohol. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this how I would do the bold holes primer, just because I don't want to just spray this everywhere and then it starts lifting, because I only use hairspray and gel, you know, for the cap. So I'm going to just get a rag. I'm just going to just spray it on here and we're just going to rub it. Just give some info about the primer as we go along, because this is going to be the next step. It improves adhesion, protects hairline, and it grows edges. It does have a little bit. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like a candle. It's designed for all skin types, hot and humid weather, sweating, and sensitive skin friendly. This is a huge plus for me because if you do not know, I live in Georgia, which is the home of humidity. It says vitamin and collagen infused. The Esha Guard and Grip Primer fortifies bond adhesion and promotes the hair growth of edges, quote, baby hair. So we're going to let this dry, and you're supposed to let it dry completely. So now we're going to move on to the glue. So this is the Esha Fusion Collagen and Vitamin Infused Lace Wig Bond. It protects and grows edges, fortifies skin, and it's water resistant. So the directions say shake well, make sure to remove all oil and makeup residue on the skin application, and then apply a thin layer of Esha Fusion evenly around the hairline. When the glue turns clear after approximately 30 seconds, apply lace wig on application area and press for 1 minute or until firmly in place. Vitamin and collagen infused, the new and improved lace wig bond addresses the flaws of its predecessor. It protects the scalp and edges, baby hair, and promotes hair growth. It's supposed to improve hair growth and protect scalp and edges, meaning that if you do decide to, like, if you don't wear a wig cap or whatever and you get it in your hair, it's okay. It's supposed to like protect the area right here where your edges grow. So like I said, here's our beauties for the day. So excited.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
The instructions say you don't actually have to do this. It says after the minute, you're supposed to be good. I'm just doing this just because this is just what I'm used to. I did have this wig on for, not this wig, I did have on the wig that we tested it out for exactly a week. Well, 5.5, 6 days. This is the longest I've ever worn a wig, and I only used one layer of glue, guys. Yes, I said one layer of glue. So that I am honestly like shooketh by that. There was some lifting on the sides, but that's with any glue. I haven't had a glue that doesn't like lift on the sides. Honestly, just me personally, I've used 3 or 4 different glues. I haven't had to where like, you know, the like what is this called? The sideburns don't lift up. And I only use 1 layer. I'm probably if I use like maybe like 3 layers or whatever the case may be, I probably would have not had that issue. I did tie my hair up. There were some days I didn't though, unfortunately. So like I said, it is my fault. I'm not going to blame the glue on that. I would highly recommend this glue. So cop it for sure. As far as the Esha glue is concerned, it is waterproof. We do the water test. This is day number 4 of wearing this wig, so we're still tight and all that good stuff. Haven't had any movement. We're still on. We're still working it. So now we're gonna do the water test. So here literally goes nothing. So we are officially wet. And it's true. We are waterproof, guys. She has not moved yet. Still nice and tight. So you can be having some, you know, sometimes in the shower, but still looking cute or whatever, dresses or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my shower and then we're gonna be back for the final review. Hey guys, okay, so we are back and we're better than ever. And it is time to honey child, boo boo. It's time to get rid of this bird's nest on my head. So this is day like 5, I wanna say. And so yeah, I'm just tired of this thing on my head. I'm ready for it to come off. So we're gonna go in with the lace wig bond remover for effortless cleaning removal. Y'all look crazy. Don't talk about me, don't judge me. So we've already done the water test and we figured out that it is glueless, it is waterless, waterproof, girl, something like that. It's infused with vitamin B as in boy. The new and improved organic citrus lace wig bond remover not only nourishes your scalp but also minimizes odor and removing the lace wig bond. It says to massage in the desired area and let it sit for at least 2 to 4 minutes. So that way, the longer it sits, the easier it is for just like to peel off. I have some like tissue I'm gonna leave right here and I'm just gonna just spray it. So as the instructions said, I'm gonna leave on for about 2 to 4 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. So I'm just, as you can see, it's already like lifted itself, which is awesome. So we're just gonna just start peeling off, just slowly but surely. If you feel any kind of tugging, stop. Spray more and let it sit some more and keep massaging. You never want to actually pull because that is what causes the friction to like have like hair loss. And then we just lift this bad boy off. I was, like I said, I was shooketh. Like shooketh to the 10th power. So I am so excited for you guys to see this. Thank you guys so much for watching one of my videos. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.